In the last two videos, we covered very clearly the basic overview. What is MongoDB, which type of database it is, when compared with the Oracle or MySQL or relational databases, what is the specialty for MongoDB? What is the structure of MongoDB database? What is the logical database? What is about collection? What is the documents? Like we covered all these things in detail in the last session. Basic idea you people should aware. Next, how you can install MongoDB. Once we install MongoDB, yes, automatically you people are going to get shell and you will get server. Okay, you people will get shell and server. What is the purpose of server? What is the need of shell? Okay, like how you can explore just the basic idea on Mongo shell. How you can explore how to find version, help, stats, which databases are there. Like we covered all these things in detail. Okay, the basic idea in the last sessions, right? Okay, well, so now my requirement is, yes, now we have to explore several things. Please take a bit very special care. I told at the beginning of this video, this session is the very important for us. Okay, take a bit special care. So now my question is, I have to start the MongoDB server. Anyone, can you please guide how I can start MongoDB server? Open the command prompt. Open the command prompt. Next, what I have to take is MongoD. MongoD is the command we require to type. Okay, MongoD is the command we require to type. Now server started. Okay, now the server started. Let me open another command prompt. Another command prompt. Now I want to start my shell. I want to launch shell, Mongo shell. Can you please guide what is the command we require to use? Mongo is the command we have to use. Okay, let me use a native shell. Okay, this is the native shell. Okay, like but over this shell we can use GUI apps also, no problem, right? Can you please tell any two GUI apps which are built over Mongo shell? Okay, anyone, can you please tell? Sir, Compass, Mongo Compass. Next, and after that, Robo T3, like these are GUI cells. Okay, Mongo Compass. Next, and after that, Robo 3T. This is the very commonly used, sir. Robo T3. Okay, like very commonly used UI. How you can exploring these two things, I will take care. Don't worry at all. But compulsory first native shell of you can use, I will explain. Sir, now take very special care about this terminology, right? Now server is already started. Server is already started. Now the client is there. Client means a shell is there. By using shell we can ask anything from the database. Happily it's going to provide the required information. We will get, sir, from the shell. What I want to ask is, so in MongoDB physical database, how many logical databases are there? I want to aware, sir. So what I have to take care. Okay, here, show what is the command I have to use? Please confirm, friends. Show dbs like it's going to tell 1 minute. Don't worry, sir. Use here use don't worry, just for my practice sake I had something like just what I'm trying to take. Okay, don't worry about these commands. I will explain in detail, sir. I want to check databases which are available. Can you please tell what is the command we require to use? Show dbs, sir. Now how many by default, how many databases are there? Can you please confirm, sir? How many databases are there? Three databases are there, sir. So default databases, how many databases are there? Three databases are there. What is the first one? Admin. Second one, config. Third one, local, like three databases which are available. Okay, take a bit special care, sir. Now my question here is, Here just the first ones are admin database. Three databases by default available, right? Sir, what is the purpose of admin database? Sir, of course, can you please talk a bit briefly to get basic idea sake? You people may ask, admin database is used to store user authentication authorization information like usernames, passwords, roles. Okay, such type of information in which database it's going to be stored. In the admin database it's going to be stored. Remember this one, sir, because in this for this MongoDB, how many users I can create? Any number of users I can create. What their username, what about passwords, where this total data will be there inside the admin database. Tomorrow someone asked, sir, are you going to cover MongoDB administration part or not? Administration or not? Okay, so I'm the admin person. I have to create user. I have to create user. I have to assign some roles for that user. For that, which database is going to use? Administrator is going to use which database, right? Admin database. Developer point of view, there is no role of this database. Everyone in the position to understand, right? So admin database, admin database is to store user authentication and authorization information, and authorization information. If the user want to users information, sir, to store information like usernames, usernames, passwords, roles, etc. Usernames, sir, passwords, roles, etc. Okay, like this information is going to be stored in which database, right? Admin database, right? Sir, this database is used by, who is going to use this database, right? Can you please confirm? This database is used by which persons, right? Administrators. Okay, administrators update, and delete users and while assigning roles. Yeah, so even we don't know much about administration, but the basic idea, array default database admin is there, where this database is going to be helpful. I hope everyone in the position to got basic idea at very top level. Yes, friends. Okay, so after completing MongoDB, just we are exploring. Next, if you want, you require to aware next level MongoDB administration. At that time, definitely this database is going to be very helpful, right? Okay, like sir, now the second database. Okay, config database, right? Okay, config database to store configurations of database server. Array, what is the port number, in which port number it's going to run, some configuration information, where logs information as to store, where data files or documents are going to be stored. Complete such type of information will be available in this config. Okay, to store configurations, of MongoDB server. MongoDB server. Yes, this config database is going to be helpful. Remember carefully, right? So admin config. What is the third one, sir? Can you please confirm? What is the third one? Local like. So when this thing can be used, do you know? Have you ever heard about replica? Replica. What is the meaning of replica? Respond. What is the meaning of replica? I have. So creating duplicate. Exactly same duplicate. Array, can you please create replica? Means create duplicate. Copy. I want another copy of the same. Another copy of the same. So while creating a replica for our database, yes, so which thing is going to be used, sir? This local database is going to be very helpful. Remember carefully, sir. So local database can be used in the replication process. Okay, local database can be used in replication process. Okay, while creating duplicate copy, another copy. Okay, while creating duplicate copy, another copy, definitely this local database is going to be very helpful. Okay, being developer, we never going to worry about these things. Don't worry, sir. Maybe these things are going to be used by administrators. Okay, remember. Next, the configurations. Which type of configurations we are going to store in the config? Slowly you people are going to explore something like where we have to store documents. Next, where we require to store log files. Next, on which port number. Okay, this MongoDB server is running, like such type of information is going to be stored where? Inside config. Anand, clear, right? Just my intention is, at very top level, we should have some basic idea about these default databases. Any doubt about this? Can you please confirm? Okay, clear for you people, right? Next, there is one more thing I have to talk. Very important, sir. Very important. I want to talk about one more thing, sir. Do you know data formats? Data formats or otherwise. So sometimes we may heard about JSON versus sir BSON. Have you remembered somewhere? I hope you may aware about JSON BSON. Next, ESON JSON JSON. Okay, like ESON or otherwise JSON, like we have. Okay, like, so can you please explore just at least some basic idea about these words also? Very important, right? Okay, so do you know in MongoDB there are three types of data formats we are using. First one JSON, second one BSON, the third one, sir, EJSON. EJSON means extended JavaScript object notation. E means extended. B means what? Binary, right? Okay. In MongoDB, MongoDB, we are using, there are three types of data, or there are three data types. There are three data formats we are using. Remember carefully, right? There are three data formats we are using. What is the first one, sir? JSON. Okay, JSON, like, sir, now here JSON means, what is the meaning of JSON? Anyone, can you please confirm? What is the meaning of JSON? What is the abbreviation for JSON, sir? JavaScript object notation, like, what is the BSON? BSON means binary JSON, like, what is the third one, sir? ESON or otherwise EJSON, extended JSON, like. So now, if you want to add some document in our database, okay, in which form we require to provide? In JavaScript object form we have to provide. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. Here, assume that I have shell is available here, sir. From the shell, I want to store data in the MongoDB. Okay, assume that in the MongoDB, I want to store the data. So in which format you have to provide, you require to provide the data? Can you please confirm? JavaScript object. In which format we have to provide, sir? JavaScript object. We can use the word, generally the people are going to use the word JSON. Okay, don't worry, sir. JSON or JavaScript object we have to provide. Okay, like, now, but in which format internally it's going to be stored? Very important, son. Very important, son. In which format internally it is going to be stored? Is it going to be stored in JSON form or not? Very important. Please confirm. Respond. Inside MongoDB server, how the data is going to be stored? How the data is going to be stored? Is it going to be stored in the JSON form or not? No. It is going to be stored in the BSON form. Remember this one, sir. In which format it is going to be stored? BSON form. Then immediately you ask, sir, why they choose BSON? Directly they can use JSON, right? Why they choose BSON? Directly they can use JSON, right? What is the advantage we are going to get? Very simple, sir. Very simple. Compulsory there should be some advantage. If there is no advantage, directly they can go for JSON only. Okay, why they choose the BSON? The first biggest advantage is, can you please tell what is this one? JavaScript object. Okay, your input is always in the form of JavaScript. JavaScript support which data types, sir? Okay, only limited data types, sir. String it is supported in JavaScript. The people who aware JavaScript, just aware basic idea. Don't worry. Number is supported. Object is supported. Object means JSON only, right? Next, array is supported. Array means list of values. List of values. Next, Boolean is supported. Next, null is supported. Sir, how many types supported by JavaScript? Can you please confirm? Array, can you please confirm how many types supported here? Only six. Only six. Sir, six types only supported by JavaScript. But my requirement here is, so sometimes some other types, okay, more explicitly 32-bit int value, 64-bit int value, 32-bit int value, 64-bit int value, double value, date value, like so some extra types are available in the BSON. Remember carefully, right? So if what is the main why the people are choosing BSON while storing data internally? So BSON is going to provide some extra types. Remember carefully, right? Any doubt? Respond. Okay, something like data type, object ID type, 32-bit integer, double, like some more extra types by default will be available. Okay, like next, yeah, next, the second thing is second thing is okay, if choosing BSON, okay, it require very less memory. Efficient memory utilization will be there because internally BSON data is going to be stored in the form of hexadecimal ASCII values, like it is going to be stored in ASCII format. That's why it is going to take less memory. Okay, like now here just observe this, the first important point in JavaScript. In JavaScript, what are various? Only six data types are available. Only six data types are available. Can you please spell out which data types, right? Please confirm. String is available, object is available, sorry, string is available, number is available. Sir, is it double or int? Such type of difference is not there. Everything is the number. Everything is the number only. String, number, object, array, next, and after that boolean, next array, boolean, next null. Okay, like we have these, but in BSON, okay, but BSON defines some extra, but BSON supports or defines some extra types also, extra types also, like double. Okay, extra types also, like double. Next, 32-bit integer, 32-bit integer, okay, which is going to be represented number int. Remember this one, sir. 32-bit integer, like next, object id, object id. What is this? This is the very important, sir. Can you please tell? Object id, this is the data type of BSON. Object id, there is no such a type of thing here. Object id, next, and after that date, etc. Okay, why BSON the people are going to use? The reason for that, okay, it is going to provide some extra types. Next, BSON is the required BSON format required less memory when compared with the JSON. That is the two important reasons: efficient storage and the extra data types are specialty of BSON over JSON. Remember carefully, right? Okay, in MongoDB, how the data is going to be stored in BSON form. Why BSON is the specialized? These are the two reasons, right? Okay, well, so Naveen is asking one thing, but user will provide input in JSON. Correct me. How BSON will help? Okay, very simple, very simple. Naveen, just think a bit very carefully about this one, sir. Suppose, assume that if you consider any programming language, any programming language, suppose I'm taking Java. Suppose I'm trying to take Java, sir. This is my Java code. Java code. Can you please observe? Is this code, is it understandable by the machine? Assume that. Is it understandable by the machine? No. It is human friendly code. It is a human friendly code. Remember this one. So programmer friendly code. But if you want to execute this one on the computer, compulsory you require to convert into bytecode. Okay, you require to convert into bytecode. You require to convert into machine code. Correct, right? Then only computer can understand this code. Okay, the same way, because machine can't understand this code directly, you require to convert into the bytecode and you require to convert into the machine code. Okay, like then only the computer can understand, right? Same way, this is suppose if I'm using the word array, name is Durga, name is Durga, age is some 40, something like I'm taking, sir, assume that. So it is a human understandable form, our JSON form. Okay, human understandable form, our JSON form. Okay, now my question is, I want to store this one in the computer, in the file system. I want to store this one. Then compulsory it should be converted into MongoDB server understandable form. We respond. Are you getting right? Because for efficient storage purpose, that the binary form, what MongoDB server is going to follow itself is nothing but BSON form. Naveen, getting the point? Okay. Yeah, here just this is one important difference, right? So here in JavaScript we have only 6 types are there, but in JSON, in BSON contain some extra types also. Okay, like next, array means list in Python. Yeah, correct, Mahbub Basha. Yeah, second one here is one more thing, sir. BSON require BSON format require less memory, requires less memory. Remember this one, sir. BSON format require less memory. That's why, so because of these reasons, the data will be stored in MongoDB server in BSON form. Okay, data will be stored in in MongoDB server in which format? Can you please confirm? In which format? Yes, respond. In which format? In BSON form. Okay, in which format? BSON form. Now the very important point is efficient storage and extra data types are the specialty of BSON over JSON. Remember carefully, sir. Efficient, efficient. Okay, here efficient storage and extra data types are specialty of 1 minute, are specialty of, okay, BSON over JSON. BSON over JSON, like. So some people may ask the question, why the data is going to be stored in BSON form instead of JSON form? BSON form is going to take less storage space. Next, some extra types are also available there. Clear, right? Any doubt about this one? Sometimes maybe a chance. Yeah, in the with respect to the next level, definitely we will talk a bit memory level, how it is going to be there, in which format it's going to come. That part I will take care, don't worry. Just try to get the basic theoretical idea about this one, sir. Okay, next, one more important point I want to tell, sir. Now programmer providing in which form? Programmer providing in which form? In which form? JSON form. But it will be stored in which form? BSON form. BSON form. It will stored in the BSON form. But now, if the programmer asking this data, now it will come in which format, sir? Okay, so to represent this BSON in in human understandable form, some conversion must be required, some convention must be required. That thing itself is extended JSON. Remember this one, sir. Extended JSON is used to represent BSON data types. Okay, because BSON is in the binary form. So I want to convert this binary form into human readable form. Then we require to go for what? EJSON. Of course, automatically it is going to be applicable. Take very special care. So what is the purpose of EJSON, sir? EJSON, EJSON can be used is used to represent in to represent BSON data, to represent BSON data types. Okay, that's what you have to aware. Total three things are there, sir. One is JSON, second one is the BSON, next the third one itself is EJSON. Okay, like but BSON and EJSON we are not required to worry about that. Happily we can talk most of the times we require to use JSON, right? Okay, now sir, it we have to yeah, loads is not applicable, sir. Like deserialization JSON, correct, Naveen? Serialization, deserialization, something like, okay, sir, from JSON to binary and binary to JSON both EJSON is used. Yeah, so in conversion, so first what thing is going to be happen, sir? Okay, creation, creation or insertion operation, creation or insertion operation. So JSON to BSON is going to be happen. Okay, now retrieval operation, read operation, read operation, read operation or retrieval operation, sir. Read operation or retrieval operation, what will happen is BSON to, can you please confirm? BSON to respond, BSON to EJSON is going to be happen. Okay, because BSON types directly you can't represent by using normal JSON. For that we require to go for EJSON. EJSON is also exactly same as JSON, extra data types you can see. Of course, once we are starting inserting the documents, deleting the documents, or if you are seeing the data which is coming from MongoDB server, then you people are going to take care. Next, these conversions will be happen automatically by the server itself. We are not required to do anything. And in this context, we are a bit lucky because we are not responsible for this. But you should have idea, array, oh, these conversions are happening, like getting. Yes, Shubham. EJSON to JSON. Okay, field by field we are going to use. Don't worry. That how you can use that in the programming area. That part I will take care. Okay, sometimes the types may not be directly supported. Okay, how we can handle that we will take care. So just aware from this discussion, you people should aware three important things: JSON, BSON, EJSON. Okay, JSON, BSON, EJSON. These are things you should aware. And someone is asking about Java knowledge is a mandatory for learning this MongoDB. Nowhere related. Naresh, nothing is required. Just follow. Any doubt about this? Sir, theoretically, I'm talking almost 10,000 feet from 10,000 feet height. Okay, basic idea, nothing. I didn't show anything, but this knowledge you should have so that the links are going to be established in the next sessions. Clear, right? So how many data formats are there? How many data formats are there in MongoDB with respect to MongoDB? Okay, how many or what data formats? What data formats we are using? We are using in MongoDB. In MongoDB. Can you please tell what answer you can tell? Three data formats. Okay, what is the first one? JSON, BSON, next the EJSON, like we are going to use. That's it. Okay, in MongoDB server, in which format the data will be saved in the BSON form. Okay, if you want to get the data from the MongoDB server, in which format we are going to get? EJSON form. Remember this one. If I want to provide the data to MongoDB server, in which format we require to provide? JSON format. Clear? Just of course, technically, with respect to the memory, practical proofs I didn't provide. Basic theoretical idea you have to get. That thing must be required for you people, right? Okay. Next cinema. What I have to talk is, sir, here how you can create document, I mean database, and collections of you can create. Okay, how you can create collections, how you can create document, next how you can insert a document, like these are things we are required to talk. Yeah, XML format is not there, Mabu Basha. Okay, now sir, here database and the collection creation. Okay, database and the collection creation. Okay, how you can do that, sir? Slowly practicals are going to be started. I hope you people already install MongoDB in your mission. Okay, believe so, otherwise so you can't. That's why highly recommended after this session, at least better to install MongoDB. Okay, it's a matter of just 2 minutes, sir. Now here just observe that. Have you remembered, right? So a physical database contains several logical databases. Listen carefully. Physical database contains several logical databases. Every database, every logical database, or every database contains, every database contains. Can you please confirm? Every database contains several. Oi, respond. Several database contains several. Arey, why you are silent? Database contain several collections. Every collection contains several documents. Remember this one, sir. So can I use the word collection is something like a table? Okay, document is something like a record, something like a record or row, because until once we entered into the practicals, compulsory this theoretical point you people should aware. Now my requirement is, I want to create a database. In the database I want to create a collection. So in that collection I have to add the documents, I have to insert the documents. Observe carefully, right? So first we require to create database. In that database we require to create collection. In that collection, for that collection we require to add documents. Okay, like now here just have a look once. Show DBs. How many databases we have? Only 3 default databases. I want to create my own database. Remember this one, sir. How you can create your own database? Use Durga DB. That's all. Now immediately you people may have the question, sir, Durga DB is not there. Durga DB is not there. If it is not there, no problem, sir. It will be created. Are you getting? This is the way how to create a database. Remember carefully, right? Okay. Use Durga DB. Use Durga DB. Okay, like use database name. Use database name. Now listen carefully. Switch it to DB Durga DB. Sir, if I use show documents, sorry, show DBs, can you please confirm how many databases will come? Please confirm. Don't try to execute parallelly. Don't try to execute parallelly. Better to listen carefully. After the session, you can practice. Okay, show DBs. Anyone, can you please tell how many databases we are going to get? Excellent. How many databases we are going to get? Yeah. So take a bit very special care. 4 databases. Admin config local DurgaDB. DurgaDB, because I created DurgaDB, right? Now observe that only 3. Only 3. Listen carefully, right? So use DurgaDB. Use DurgaDB. DurgaDB is not going to be created. Okay. So whenever we are trying to create collection, at that time database will be created. Remember that, okay? Unnecessary without data, what is the need of creating database? Okay, without data, what the need? Whenever you are creating collection, at that time automatically database will be created dynamically. Remember carefully, right? Now here if I use this one, okay, if I use database won't be created. Okay, listen very carefully, sir. Database won't be created at the beginning. At the beginning, whenever 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 we are trying to create, whenever we are trying to create a collection or inserting document, then only database will be created. Then only database will be created. Okay, will be created like, yeah, clear for you people? So how you can create database, this is the only command we require to use. But when it's going to be created, sir, not at the beginning. Once for this db, if you start to doing something, creating a collection or inserting document, then only it will be created. Sir, please explain. I want to create a collection. What I have to take is how to create collection. How to create a collection? I want to create a collection, sir. Collection is something like a collection is something like a table, right? Collection is a something like a table, right? Okay, now what I want to take is, sir, db the predefined object, right? create create collection. Okay, which collection I want to create, sir? Employees collection I'm trying to take. Yeah, okay, now we are trying to create employees collection in which database, right? In DurgaDB. You are already switched to DurgaDB, right? Now let me do this one. Now let me do this one, sir. Here db dot create collection of employees. Now observe that. Okay, like, now if I use the word show dbs, how many databases will be there? If I use the word show DBs, how many databases will be there? Please confirm. Show DBs, how many databases will be there? Yes, fourth database came or not. Yeah, feeling comfortable? Okay, so with the only user db, with the only user db, it won't create, right? Just switch the environment. But whenever you are creating a collection, then only that a database by default will be created. Okay, well, now here, yes, do we need to use create collection? Yes, Venkat, just to take a bit very special care. I want to create collection. I want to create only collection. That's all. I'm not talking about document. Then you can do like this, right? Okay, well, now, yeah, documents is there. Can you please explain? Here is showing 0 point. So definitely the data won't be there. Yes, here this data may not be available. Okay, like that's why 0 0.0. Let me add some data, then is it going to be considered or not? Sir, now here just observe that, sir, up to this, you people are in the position to aware how to create a database, how you can create a collection. Okay, like, let me check. Show collections. How many collections are there? How many collections are there? Can you please confirm? Yes, how many collections are there? Only one collection. Only one collection. Employees. Clear? Yes, we are in the position to see one collection is already available, right? Yeah. Can you please confirm up to this? Any doubt? How to create a database? How you can create a collection? Sir, create a database means user db is the command. Use DurgaDB. How you can create a collection, sir? db dot create collection of whatever collection name we require to use. Next, next, how to how to drop, how to how to delete or drop collection under database. How to drop collection under database? Sir, I don't want collection. I don't want collection. Employees. I don't want, sir. I don't want employees table. What I have to take is db dot db dot. So which table, which collection you don't want, sir? Employees. Are you getting? Employees, I don't want this collection. Dot drop you require to use db that employees dot drop, sir. This collection will be dropped. Remember carefully, right? This collection will be dropped. Yes, observe that. True means okay. Now show collections. How many collections are there? How many collections are there, sir? No collection, no collection, zero number of collections. Okay, like, is it clear for you people? Yeah. Please respond. How to drop, collection. Okay, db dot collection name dot drop. Okay, db dot collection name dot drop. This is the, sir, command we require to use, so that automatically that is going to be that automatically that collection is going to be deleted. Sir, 1 minute, let me, I want to just show dbs. How many databases are there? Because have you observed, right? At least one collection is not there. At least one collection is not there. Then automatically that db by default gone. Yeah, at least one collection is not there. Automatically that db by default gone. Yeah. Someone is asking about there are two doubts. Sir, can we create multiple DBs with the use command? Yes, multiple at a time, only one DB. Mabu Basha, at a time only one DB you can. Next, uh, yes, Deepak is asking a small doubt. You have to clarify. You people, can you please have a look once? db.employees.drop. So in case employee is also available in the other DB, like local, how it will drop then? Yeah, excellent. So you are executing this command by connecting to some database. Have you observed? Currently you are in which database? Respond. Currently, you are in which database? Deepak. I am in DurgaDB. So now the employees table or employees collection present inside DurgaDB will be deleted. Remember carefully. Okay. Now here, default DBs generally, so we are not going to delete. Don't worry. Don't do that. Okay. Next, one more thing, sir. What about what is the other thing here is how to drop database. Assume use use DurgaDB, use DurgaDB. Next, and after that, here db dot create collection, create collection, create collection of students, of students. Next, and after that, db dot create collection, db dot create collection of customers, something like, I'm trying to take, sir, customers like. Okay, now how many collections are there? Can you please confirm? Two collections are there, sir. Now my requirement is I want to delete the database. I want to delete the database itself. So already I connected to DurgaDB, right? What I have to take care is db dot drop database, db drop database. 1 minute, 1 minute. So show dbs, show dbs. Yes, DurgaDB is already there. DurgaDB is already there. Like, now db here, very important, sir. I want to drop, current database. Okay, drop database. So which database is going to be dropped, sir? DurgaDB already dropped. DurgaDB already dropped. Show dbs. Have you observed? So how to drop database? Is it clear for you people? Is it clear for you people? Okay. So how to create a database, how to create a collection, how you can create a database, how you can create a collection, and then how to insert document, update document, delete document. These things we are going to take care. Don't worry. First, how to create database, how to create collection, in that you should aware. Okay, well, now my question is, let me create database. Please guide, sir. I forgot. Anyone, can you please guide how to create a database? Durga DB I want to create. So Durga DB is not there currently. Please guide. Use Durga. Use Durga DB. Use Durga DB. Sorry. Ayo. BD like it came. Okay. What I have to take? DB dot drop database. Okay, well, now use Durga DB. Yeah, correct. Durga DB is ready. Okay, now I want to create a collection. So to create a collection, what command we use? Do you know create collection? What is the command we use? DB dot create collection. Create collection. Of course, there is a shortcut is there. That shortcut I will take care. Don't worry, sir. Don't worry. Just aware. Okay. In reality, all these things we are not going to do. Employees like I created a collection. Okay. Now collection is ready. So now my requirement is I want to perform basic CRUD operations, basic CRUD operations, CRUD operations in simple way. Okay, basic at very top level. I want to perform CRUD operations, right? Okay, collection is ready, table is ready. I want to insert some data, I want to delete some data, I want to update existing data, like we require to do that. Okay, how we can do, what is the basin? So the first operation, see sir, C means what? Oi, C means what? Creation. Yeah. 1 minute, someone is asking about. Sir, commands are case sensitive or not? Rohit, yes, case sensitive. C means creation. Creation means don't feel. Okay, creation means don't feel we are creating. Okay, collection, like creation means inserting documents, creating data, inserting documents. Okay, like yeah. Dinesh, no alternative. Just you require to ask by typing only, because huge crowd is there. Okay, just yeah. See, is the creation means, so how to we can insert. So how to insert document, how you can insert document to the how to insert a document into the collection, into the collection. Okay, like this is my requirement, right? Okay, don't worry, son. So these CRUD operations in detail we are going to discuss, but at very top level how we can do that. Okay, like sir, now do you know multiple methods are there, sir? What is the first one? Insert. Okay, on the collection you have to call collection object. You require to call db dot collection object insert one. Okay, like next insert mini, like insert mini. Array, one document I want to insert, many documents I want to insert, many documents I want to insert, are simple. You can call insert also, no problem, right? Okay, now take very special care. How many methods are there? How many functions are there? If you want to insert one document, insert a document, insert one, insert many, insert. But anyway, one insert one, how you can do that part I will take care. Yes, here db. Okay, db dot sir, what is our collection name? Please confirm. Show collections. Yes, what is the collection name? Employees. Okay, db dot employees, db dot employees, insert one, insert one. Sir, first time in MongoDB we are trying to insert one document. Okay, sir, every document is a JavaScript object. JavaScript object, how it is going to be there in curly braces. Have you remembered, right? Okay. Now, employees, which fields you want? Which fields you want? Array enum 100, enum 100, employee ID or employee number. E name is okay. Just I'm trying to take Sunny. Okay, e name Sunny. Next, e shall I'm trying to take 1000. E shall 1000. Like e address I'm trying to take. E address is sir Mumbai. Okay, let me take this one, sir. Yeah, is it JSON object? Is it JavaScript object or not? Can you please confirm? JavaScript object or not? Yes, it is a JavaScript object. Can you please insert? Now it is going to be inserted. So at very top level, how you can insert a document? Is the terminology the clear? Can you please confirm? Hey, theoretically, is it okay, right? DB dot employees dot insert one. These methods you have to call on the collection object. Sir, DB dot employees like okay. Now DB dot employees dot insert one. That's all. Now this is the response I'm getting, sir. Very important. Very important. This is the response I'm getting. Okay. Now, sir, insert acknowledge the true. Perfect. Insert ID is object ID. Remember this one. So object ID is which data type? Object ID is not there in the normal JSON. Have you observed? Object ID is there in the BSON form and the eJSON form. Remember carefully, right? That's why. So please take a bit very special care. It is the object ID because for every document, a unique ID is going to be assigned. If you want, you can provide your own ID also. No problem, right? Okay, well. Sir, now my question is this one is inserted or not? Where is the proof for that? Okay, so let me take how you can perform read operation. Read operation of you can take db data employees collection. Of course, find is there. What is that? Can you please confirm? What is the command? What is the command or function we require to use? Find means retrieve. That part I will take care. Now observe that. So underscore id, this extra field is going to be there. Have you observed, right? Now Mumbai. Okay, now observe carefully, right? These are data. Is it inserted or not? These are data. Is it inserted in the database or not? Yes. Okay. Now, so I want to insert some more records. I want to insert some more records. What I want to take here is here insert 200 1 minute, sir. Okay, forget about this. Here insert one. Okay, employee number 200, employee name. Okay, just a bunny I'm trying to take. Employee salary 2000. Next, employee address. Okay, HYD Hyderabad, like I'm trying to take. Yes, inserted. Next, insert one. So what about remaining methods? You are not using remaining methods like you people may get. Array, don't worry, just at the very top level, how you can insert the data, like we are going to see, sir. 3000. Okay, address, let me keep at the Hyderabad only, no problem, right? Okay, next last record I want to insert, sir. 1 minute, sir. If you want to create 1000 collections, it will take more time now. Is there any loop system? Here loop system is not there because usually we are not performing these operations from okay shell. Remember carefully, right? Okay, from the shell we are not going to perform these operations. If you want to insert documents, from where you have to do that is from where we require to do this one is from application, or otherwise database admin is going to create one script. If he's going to execute that script, automatically the tables by default will be created. Basha, getting the point? Okay, now here enum 400. Next, and after that here just Pinny something like 4,000. Okay, here some I'm trying to take address Chennai, like I'm taking, sir. That's all. Sir, can you please tell how many records I inserted? How many records I inserted, right? Four records we inserted. Remember carefully, right? Four records we inserted. Okay, like now my question here is yes, how you can is it clear for you people? Basic idea have you got? C means creation. Sir, what about this? What about this? I will explain in detail. Add a document. This is the document, sir. Add a document to what we call collection. Clear, right? Can I go for R operation? Hmm. R already I showed. I don't think you people are going to get some doubt. R means what? Retrieval. Retrieval means which operations are read operation, right? Okay, so for this, which methods we require to use is db dot employees, db dot collection dot find, and find one we are going to use. Sir, I want only one record, I want only one document based on matched query, matched object. But here I want all. Okay, to find all documents, to find all documents, this is the thing. To find only one document, only one document, like in detail I will explain, don't worry, sir. First, let me use this one. Okay, what is the way? db dot, please confirm. db dot employees, db dot employees dot db dot employees dot find. So I'm not passing any argument. Okay, have you observed, right? db dot employees dot find, I'm not passing any argument. If you are not passing any argument, all documents related to employees by default we are going to get. Now, how many documents are there? Can you please confirm? Four document, am I getting or not? Yes. Is it in the readable format? So seems to be not in the readable, not in the readable format, seems to be. Okay, I want a pretty looks good. Okay, pretty format I want, means here, say this one, see this one. db dot employees dot find dot pretty. What is that? Array, respond. What is the method or function we are using? Pretty. I want pretty looks good. Okay, yes, see. Yeah, perfect. Now I hope you people can say readable output. Okay, more readable when compared with the previous one. Clear readable output you people are going to see. Okay, db dot employees dot find dot pretty. Yes, this is the first one. This is the second document. This is the third document. This is the fourth document. Like, any doubt? For every document, a unique ID by default will be there. Okay, a unique ID by default will be there. Sir, I want my own ID. No problem, you can do that. Itself is acceptable. But this one is ID is what type? Object ID, which is the BSON, JSON type. Yeah. So how to use find many? Based on queries. Sir, I want all employees whose salary greater than 2,000. I want all employees who belongs to Hyderabad. I want like all the cinema we are going to talk. Try to get basic idea. For every document, a unique ID is going to be assigned by a unique ID will be assigned by MongoDB server for its internal identification purpose. Okay, that's why it is also part of document. Can I go to the next level? Are you feeling comfortable up to this? Two operations we did. Two operations we did. One is insert operation. Second one is a find operation. For insert, insert one, insert many, insert three methods are available. But anyway, just at very top level, I covered insert one because you have to get the basic idea. Next, this ID is the unique ID. Yeah. Next, find and find one. These are the two methods are available. Next, CR completed. What is the third operation? I forgot. What is the third operation? Can you please confirm? Update. The third one, update. You means update, sir. So what it means? I want to update existing document. I want to update existing document. Usually, which functions or which commands you require to use? db dot collection dot update one. Update one. Yeah, db dot collection dot update one. Similarly, update many. Update many. Next, even replace also. Replace one, something is there. Don't worry, sir. These are things we are going to discuss. Just get the basic idea. Update one, update many, replace one, like these functions are there if you want to perform update operation on the MongoDB documents, right? So let me use this one. As of now, I want to use this one, sir. db dot collection means employees, like, sir. Now here what I want to do is four documents are there. Wherever ename is the pinning, can you please set a sal as some 10,000? Okay. Update employee, update document, update employee, where set salary as 10,000, where e name is Chinni. Okay, this is my requirement, right? Okay, earlier Chinni having, sorry, Pinny, where e name is Pinny, where Pinny having 4,000 salary, but now I want 10,000 salary. How you can do that? So which command we require to use? This is the command. Okay, in this, what I have to take, what I require to take is here, for which document, for which object you want, what is your condition, which updation you want to perform. Observe very carefully. How many arguments are there? Please confirm. How many arguments are there? Two arguments. Two arguments. Sir, the first one here, second one here. Okay, like first one is here, second one is here. So first one, what your condition? E-name is pinning. E-name is pinning. Where e-name is the pinning, what you want to take? E-shall is 10,000 I want to take. Yeah, please confirm. If we are, it is going to update only one record. If you want multiple records, based on this matched criteria, multiple records if you want, better to go for update many. Update many. E-shall is okay, like E-shall is 10,000, like this, right? 1 minute, take a bit very special care. It is not going to work. Don't worry. It is not going to work, sir. What is the reason for that? Now listen carefully, right? So some error we are getting. What is that error is? Can you please have a look once? I know it is not going to work because we require to do a small thing. So uncaught exception error. The update operation document must contain atomic operations. What is the meaning of atomic operation? That part I have to take care. Here, a small thing we require to take here in this query. What I have to take is, listen carefully, right? So here we require to use one important point. We require to use $set. What is that? Can you please tell? $set. dollar set. This is atomic operation. Dollar set. If anything prefixed with a dollar, it is treated as a reserved. Remember this one, sir. Reserved word, something like dollar set. We have to use. This is the small thing. But why do you have any other alternatives? What is the significance of this set? These things we will discuss. First, my intention I told, right? Array, all the four operations I want to show once with very small example. Okay, now each operation we are going to perform post-mortem. Okay, now observe. Now observe this one. Yes, acknowledged true, matched count 1, modified count 1. Why? Acknowledged true, matched count 1, modified count is 1, like it is showing. Sir, let me cross check. Is find dot pretty. Okay. Now, wherever penny is there, earlier 4,000, but now it is a 10,000. Feeling comfortable? Huh? Is the updation is happened or not? Perfectly, it is happened. Okay, this document, this is happened in this document. Of course, now you may ask, sir, I want to update multiple documents. I want to update multiple documents based on multiple parameters. N number of constraints we can implement. Okay, don't keep any doubt at all. Yeah, that's what Shubham Gupta I'm telling. It is not update, just my intention is to show, oh, this is the way we can perform updation. Okay, 2 or 3 sessions we will talk about only on updation. There we are going to talk. Mm. getting the things right. So I want to show four operations once you are seeing with your eyes, then you are feeling comfortable. Then based on n number of constraints, sir, several pinnies are available, or otherwise my conditions are four conditions. If e name is the pinny and already salary less than 4,000, then only increment. Okay, like n number of conditions you can keep. Don't worry any doubt. So update. Basic idea you got? Ah, basic idea. I'm talking. Not complete idea. Yeah, can we update very name like yes, anything you can do. Kishan. Yes, we can do that. Okay. Now the fourth one. Now the fourth one. D sir. D means one delete operation. I want to delete the document. I want to delete the document. Delete the document. How you can do that? What is the code? What is the code we require to take? So for delete db dot collection dot delete one. We have first one delete one. Next delete many. Delete one, delete many. Like we have two things are available, sir. Now anyway, safe side. Let me take only one. Delete one. How you can do that, sir? Okay, db dot collection dot delete one. My collection name is employees dot delete one. So which thing you have to delete? Which one you require to delete, sir? Here, 1 minute, delete one. So what thing I have to delete? Very simple, very simple. E name is wherever Sunny is there, or otherwise wherever Pinny is there. Can you please delete? Can you please delete this document? Are you getting? Delete one. What the condition is? The condition is specified by this JSON object. Okay, e name is the pinny. Wherever e name is the pinny, so that document I want to delete. 1 minute, 1 minute. Here already e name is the pinny already there. Let me execute this one. Okay, now observe very carefully, sir. Acknowledged true. Deleted count is 1. Is it really deleted or not? Yeah, please confirm. First document, second document, and the third document. Okay, where is the fourth document? Pinny. Sunny, Bunny, Chinny is there, but a Pinny is not there. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes. Okay, so this is my intention is I want to show, okay, basic idea about how you can create, how you can perform CRUD operations, right? Okay, I want to create a document, I want to delete a document, I want to update existing document, I want to insert a new document. What options are there? That's what my intention of showing this one. But here one small thing I have to tell. Okay, what I'm trying to take here is I want to drop this database. Okay, there definitely there should be some retrieval mechanism to delete, to recover deleted documents. Okay, in the database compulsory that option should be there. Mabu Basha and Kishan. Okay, compulsory there should be some mechanism. Otherwise, was deleted, gone. There is no chance to recover. Then meaningless. Okay. Now my question is, yeah, here there is one small doubt is there, sir. Observe carefully. What I want to take is I want to drop this employees table. Okay, what I have to take? Can you please guide? I forgot. db dot drop complete database. Drop database. Automatically database is going to be dropped or not? Respond. Yes, dropped Durga DB. Now show DBs like only 3 DBs are available, right? Now my question is, listen carefully. Use Durga DB. Use Durga DB. Okay, like now what I have to do? Please confirm. Respond. Respond. What I have to do? Use Durga DB. Switch to Durga DB, and then I have to create. I have to create collection, and then I have to insert document. Correct, right? Now what I'm doing? db dot okay, employees. db.employees. Insert one I'm taking. Insert one I'm trying to take. Insert one, like now here what I'm trying to take, name is Durga. Name is Durga. That's all. Sir, now listen very carefully about this one. Array, I didn't create database, I didn't create collection. Directly I'm trying to insert the document. Whenever you are trying to insert a document, whenever you are trying to insert a document, automatically, yes, a DB will be created and the collection also will be created automatically. Now, where is the proof for that? Yes, observe carefully. Observe carefully. Yes, successfully inserted. Array, I didn't create a collection. I didn't create database. So if you want, you can observe show DBs, Durga DB created. Next, if you want, you can ask show collections. Yes, employees collection is already there. If you want DB dot employees dot db.employees dot find, if I ask, then automatically yes, employee document is also ready. Are you in the position to understand? Okay, earlier first database and then collection and then document, but whenever you are trying to insert a document, automatically database and collection will be created. Remember, so we are not required to create, we are not required to create, we are not required to create, okay, what we call collections explicitly. Whenever we are trying to insert, whenever we are trying to insert documents, automatically collections will be created. Yeah, Drop DB means current database will be deleted. Abu Basha. Connect to the database, drop DB. Clear? I hope you people are getting some basic idea how you can perform, how you can create a collection, how you can create a database, how to perform CRUD operations on the collection. Like, any doubt? Getting some basic idea? Yeah, once we are going to use GUI screens, then you can see BSON format, EJSON format. Like, don't worry. Okay. Next, internally BSON format is going to be used. We are not required to worry much about BSON. That's it, sir. So in today, whatever we covered, have you observed, right? What about the default databases? We at the beginning we had a discussion about default databases. Admin is there, which can be used for administration purpose. Config is there to store configurations of MongoDB server. Local is there, which can be used in the replication process of this database. Next, the data formats in MongoDB: JSON, BSON, and EJSON. Like we covered about these things, right? So why BSON is going to be preferred while storing data in the MongoDB server? Two reasons. BSON is going to provide some extra data types. Second one, more efficient storage. Okay, BSON format required less memory to store when compared with the JSON. That's why, right? So if you want to get the data, so we require to convert BSON into EJSON. EJSON is the representation for BSON format, right? Next, and after that, here EJSON is used to represent BSON data types. Okay. Next, how you can perform, how you can create a collection and a database, how to delete the collection and the database, how to drop collection and the database, how you can perform basic CRUD operations. You should aware. Okay, that's all. Next, maybe a chance of some shortcut facilities. When once we are exploring the next, slowly we are going to get.